everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me go ahead and share my screen. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. As you know, we have buy signals, guys, on the equity markets. All right. So our stock boss systems, bull master systems. All right. We've been getting lots of picks, right? Trading opportunities in those systems. All right. So we do have buy signals. All right. So buy signal on the Dow. All right. So if you guys look here, buy signal on the Dow on the daily time frame. All right, right here. All right. We have resistance right here, purple support and resistance. So keep that in mind. All right. But we do have a buy signal, all right, on the Dow. Same thing for the S&P, buy signal on the S&P right here. All right. Also the NASDAQ. All right. Now we've been adding NASDAQ stocks, technology stocks, all right, for about, I think, 3 weeks now. All right. So 3 weeks now, we've been adding, getting into technology stocks. That was the first buy signal in equities. All right. Technology. All right. Hey, Saga, welcome. Saga, welcome. All right. So we have a buy signal. All right. On the NASDAQ, still waiting for a buy signal on the Russell here. All right. But we'll take this. All right. Very bullish buy signal on the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P. Again, still waiting on a buy signal here on the Russell. So it looks like, guys, we are getting that fourth quarter Christmas rally so far. All right. The VIX is at 1380, which is good, guys. That's really, really good. All right. Anything under 20 is good. So 1380, that's really good. All right. Now, sectors, all of the sectors are up right now, except for two of the sectors, energy and healthcare. All the other sectors um, are up. All right. Now we'll take a look at. Normally, we don't look at stocks, equities on Sundays. All right, but we missed Thursday and Friday, so we'll take a look at some opportunities that perhaps came in on those days last week. All right, so we can look forward to trade when the market opens tomorrow. Now, it is a holiday week this week, so we might have light volume, right? We usually do, so just keep that in mind, all right, as we go through the trading opportunities. Okay, big picture, big picture. All right, on the weekly time frame, guys, this is we have a big candle here that closed on the Dow last week. All right, here is resistance right here. Here is the all-time highs. All right, so we are right there, approaching the all-time highs. Once we break through that resistance, okay, so markets become very bullish. All right, so that's the Dow. All right, the NASDAQ, guys, look how close we are to breaking resistance on the NASDAQ. All right, here we are to break resistance. All-time high is right up here. Right, if we brought in a trend line right here, you guys will see that we are following that trend line right here. All right, so good price action. We just need to get past this resistance. If we get buy-in, guys, this week, we could really see where we could break through that resistance, start testing the all-time high. That's the NASDAQ. And the S&P is very close, guys. Look how close we are with the S&P. So we've had 3 weeks of solid buying, right? In the S&P, resistance is right here. All-time highs is right here. All right, so let's bring in a trend line. All right, if you notice that shorts are difficult right now. Shorts are really, really difficult. All right, so what I would recommend, turn off your short systems. Okay, just turn off or just put them away for now. Focus on longs. All right, focus on long opportunities right now. All right, I don't think we have any shorts or just a few shorts in Monster Scalper. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I will remind you guys through the week of that. Okay. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. Okay. All right. So here, for example, the US 30, we have a buy signal, guys, on the US 30. So we should be going long, taking only long trades. All right. You will get pullbacks. All right. All right. You will get pullbacks, but I don't, you can do it if you want, but I would just focus on long opportunities. Let the sellers come in, right? Wait for that pullback, and then um, wait for buyers to come in, get that buy signal to keep moving, going higher. All right. So buy signal on the US 30, right? And the goal is to break through that resistance. So we're US 30 traders. Just be aware, we've got a buy signal on the daily. All right. So we're just waiting for the 60-minute to set up. We do have a buy signal on that 60-minute. Okay. So again, I know you're trading smaller time frames here, right? You're trading the smaller time frames, but just make sure, right, you look for long opportunities. Same thing with the NAS, right? The NAS 100, right? NAS 100 buy signal. Look at that buy signal, guys. Big candle came in here. Look at that. Buyers are coming in. All right. So just make sure, all right, focus on long trades only. All right. Right. You give up profits if you go short and long. All right. So just let the shorts go again. Let the shorts go. Focus on longs only. And that's on all the systems right now. All right. On all the systems right now. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions. All right. In Monster Scalper. Before we do that, the pound yen. Okay, so we are breaking resistance, guys, on the big picture on the pound yen. All right, the pound yen will push, all right, or move, right, all the yen pairs. All right, so just remember, right, be careful shorting the yen pairs. I know sometimes we're short on pullbacks. Don't, just wait for those longs. All right, those retracements is an opportunity for buyers to come back in at a lower price. Okay, so just remember that as we go through the positions here. Okay, all right. So monster scalper long positions, monster scalper long positions. All right. All right, that's on the 240 now. Okay. All right. So CAD yen, buy signal here. All right. Big red candle. That signal closed. That long signal closed. All right. So close that trade. All right. So CAD yen, close that trade, guys. SGD JPY, SGD JPY. All right. Previous buy signal did well. All right. This buy signal closed. Red candles. Sellers came in. Okay. So close that trade. Now, this short right here is what I'm talking about. Don't be tempted. All right. Just close that long if you're trading on 240. All right. And then just wait. Do not be tempted to go short. All right. If you guys look here, that price is currently right here. All right. So if you trade on a smaller time frame, just wait for the next buy signal. Okay. So SGD JPY, close that trade there. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here, closed here. All right. A decent trade here. Red candle, sell signal. Buy signal was here, sell signal was here. All right. Just close that trade. Do not go short on your smaller time frames. Wait for the next buy signal. So pound yen, out of that trade. The next one, euro yen. All right. Euro yen. All right, buy signal here, close right here, broke support, red candle, sell signal. So the buy signal was here. All right, sell signal was here. That's for a little over 200 pips. Not bad. Wait for the next buy signal. Do not short this move right here. All right, even with your smaller time frames. All right, do not short this move. You're going to get squeezed. All right. All right, so The overall trend is long up, all right, in the markup phase. So euro yen, guys, close that trade. All right. Euro CAD is still holding. Buy signal here. That is still holding. We don't have any shorts in Monster Scalp. All right. So no short positions in Monster Scalp. Now we'll take a look at new opportunities in Monster Scalper. All right. We'll do that first, and then we'll take a look at equities also. All right. In Forex Dominator, long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. So on the daily time frame, AUD JPY. All right. Buy signal here. Right. A bit of a pullback, holding nicely. Swiss yen. Right. Nice moving Swiss yen. A bit of a pullback, still holding. All right. Euro yen, buy signal here. Nice break of resistance. Right. This is for about 400 pips right here, from here to here. All right. So still holding. Remember, Forex Dominator will hold these longer trades. All right. Much better than Monster Scalper, because we longer time frame, using a longer time frame. Pound yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, but holding. HKD JPY, your Hong Kong pair, buy signal here. We have a white candle here, guys. Pay attention to that. All right. We just need buyers to come back in, green candles to continue to move higher. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. Purple support and resistance. We've got to get past, all right, resistance right here now. All right. So it's holding right here. Nothing to do yet. SGD JPY, buy signal here. That's moving up nicely here. Great trade going. Buy signal here. All green candles, nothing to do there. SGD JPY. ZAR yen, buy signal was here. All right, it broke through this resistance here, which was a concern. That resistance, right? We're looking for it to get to this area where we have more resistance right here, or a high. All right, so a bit of a pullback, no major concern, right? Still holding fine right here. Buy signal was here, holding all the way up here. All right, that's ZAR yen. Aussie CAD, these were new positions. All right, buy signal here, that's moving up nicely. All right, Aussie CAD, Euro CAD. All right, so nice move going in the CAD pairs. All right, so Euro CAD, buy signal was here on a break of resistance right here, moving up nicely. Pound CAD, let's see, buy signal here, breaking out, taking its time here, but guess what? Nothing to change, right? Hopefully it can break through resistance right here and keep going. And then New Zealand CAD, a buy signal here, breaking out of resistance. So there's a rotation in the CAD pairs. All right. So that's, just keep an eye on that. Good trade going here. Euro pound, buy signal here. It's breaking out. Euro NOK. All right. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. All right. If we draw a trend line right here, you guys will notice it's still holding. All right. And it should be in profit. All right here, nothing to do. EURTRY, all right? Look at EURTRY, guys, continuing to move higher. This is always a tricky pair to trade, but it's done well, right? Look at the previous trades, done well, good long trade. If you try to short this, you would have gotten squeezed all the way along, right? The markup phase. EURHKD, buy signal here, right? Breaking out right here. All right, EURSGD, same thing. So a new move, guys, in the Euro pairs. We added those last week. And EUR USD. So it's good to see the Euro pairs finally moving higher. All right. All right. Support here. Markdown phase moving higher here. All right. Same thing here. All right. Support is here. All right, so not bad trading, not bad. All right, notice we don't have any shorts, guys. All right, I think we have one short. And let's take a quick look at that. All right, and that short is USD. All right, USDC And H, that's the dollar. All right. That's the dollar. So USD CNH, sell short signal is here and it's moving down slowly here. Okay. Now the dollar, let's take a quick look at the dollar. I think the dollar is still consolidating. The dollar index, oh, it's moving lower. All right. So the dollar index is moving lower. Let's see if we have a sell short signal. Now the dollar short has been all over the place. So we don't have smooth short opportunities in the dollar pair. So just be very selective in those. Okay, so we do have a sell short signal here in the dollar index. Okay, so um, which is good for equities. As the dollar moves lower, equities, remember, equities will move higher. So big picture on the dollar index, buy signal is here. This on the weekly time frame. So big white candle came in last week. All right, that's a concern. So that should close, right? It continues to move lower, close that long position and start looking to test support down here. Okay, so dollar is in trouble right now. All right, okay. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, equities. Let's take a look at equities. All right, and guys, we'll try to go through these as quickly as possible. Okay. Um, all right, the soybean trade for Monster Futures soybean trade. Um, let's see here. The soybean trade still holding well. All right, buy signal here, still holding in Monster Futures. That's the only trade we have right now. There is a trade setting up in the S&P in Monster Futures. All right, so I think we looked at it on Friday. I saw it on Friday. Did not have any buy signals. Let's take a quick look to see if we have any buy signals on that S&P trade. That might be the next best trade. But let's take a quick look here. All right. S&P right here. All right. All right. These are buy signals here, but they're not. That's on the, let's see here. You see the chart here, guys? Not very great price action. So let's see. Let's go down a bit here. Let's see here. All right. That's the S&P micro. See a lot of S&P. All right. Wait on S&P. All right. Just wait. We'll wait on S&P. All right. So the soybean, that's the only trade right now. All right. Okay. Equities. Equities. All right. As you guys know, right, we have buy signal. Buy signals on the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. All right. Buy signals on the sectors. All right. Let's go through this. So gold has a buy signal now. That's part of basic materials. Biotech, no. What's that? Home builders, we have a buy signal. Communication services, we have a buy signal. Financials, guys, we have a buy signal. Okay. Industrial, look here. Industrial, we have another buy signal. Okay. Tech, look at tech. All right. Buy signal here. Look at technology. That's the number one sector right now. Real estate, all right, has a buy signal. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, guys, now is the time. All right. Now is the time. All right. No buy signal with consumer discretionary. And this is the fourth quarter. So silver have a buy. We have a buy signal on silver. Energy, nothing. Healthcare, nothing. All right. But we'll continue to focus, all right, on technology. And we'll see if we can bring in some of the other sectors, all right, that, but we want to look for really good buy signals, okay, as we go through these. So current positions first. Current positions in Stock Boss. Current positions in Stock Boss. All right. And let's start with technology first, okay? All right, so AMSC, all right? AMSC, all right? That's technology, guys. Buy signal here was at 790. It's trading at 926, all right? I'm nicely in the markup phase, all right? So just let that go, all right? We'll just let it continue to run. All right, AMWL, and you can see the symbol up here also, guys, right here. AMWL, buy signal here, holding fine. All right, ARQQ, that's a new one we added here. All right, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback here, but still holding. All right, no red candles, no sell signals. All right, AVPT, buy signal came in here. That's about 713, trading at 833. That's technology. Nothing to do there. AVPT. All right. BBAI, buy signal here. That's holding. That's technology. All right. DH, buy signal here. All right. A bit of a pullback, still holding. All right. INDI, buy signal right here, guys. Moving up nicely. That's technology. All right. INFN, buy signal here, holding perfectly. That's technology there. MTTR, buy signal right here. That's moving up nicely, breaking resistance right here. That's technology here. All right. OUST, buy signal here. That's holding all green candles, nothing to do there. That's technology there. PRCH, buy signal here. Nice buy signal here. Moving up nicely, looking to get past this resistance here. Let's put a resistance line. All right. So if it breaks that resistance, we could see buyers really jump in. All right. At what's that? $1.54. Buy signal came in at 96 cents. All right. All right. Don't be afraid to trade this cheaper stocks, right? SOUN, buy signal here. All green candles breaking out. Some of these are new, right? UIS, nice move in UIS, guys. All of these are technology. Technology is moving. That's your number one sector right now to buy. All right, buy signal at 380, right? Closed on Friday at 501. Good trade going here. They're definitely buying it. VNET. Wow, look at VNET, guys. That's technology, right? Lots of selling came in on Thursday. All right, kind of held down on Friday. So buy signal came in on a break of resistance at 338. Sell signal came in at 371 to close that trade. All right, so um, broke resistance, bought here, broke support. So just close that trade. All right, VNET. Right, for it to spike like this, it probably had some news, guys, some negative news. All right, so just close that trade. WISH right here, continue. It's holding fine right now. All right, a bit of a pullback. Green candles still holding. Really good markdown phase. Okay, WISH. Right, almost done with Stock Boss. All right. EGHT, right here. Buy signal here, right? And nicely holding, right? Looking to break resistance right here. All green candles in the markup phase. That's communication services, all right? Like telecom, all right? HNST, buy signal here, all right? Holding right there. Communication services. MCW, buy signal right here. Nice break, nice move higher in the markup phase. Communication services. All right. NDLS, buy signal here, holding nicely here. Purpose support and resistance, keep an eye on that. All right, but it's holding fine. Communication services. NMRK. Buy signal was here, a bit of a pullback, breaking out now. All right, so it's breaking out nicely now. Not a bad, a decent markdown phase here. All right. Okay, let's keep going. Q. All right, QRTEA. Buy signal here, holding right here. All right, we just needed to break through resistance. All right, AMBP. All right, that is communication services buy signal here. Right, reach the high resistance right here on Friday. We just needed to get past resistance right here, which is about 390. So it's not far from that. All right, but good price action. All green candles, big candle here on Friday. That's encouraging. All right, HUYA right here. All right, buy signal here, following a nice trend line, moving up higher. Buy signal came in right around 312, trading at 383. All right, so nice trade going here. Nothing to change. Well, we had one. We had to remove. VNET. All right, Bull Master. All right, Bull Master. AI. Buy signal here. All right, holding. That was a new one. AMD. All right, right here. Buy signal right here. Moving up nicely. All right. APP. Buy signal here. Retraced. Okay, guys. Keep an eye on this one here. We have support right here. All right, we have support. We need buyers to come back in. All right, so it needs to hold support right here. All right, buyers to come back in. All right, and then test resistance again. All right, but this is a concern. If you get a red candle, sell signal, close the trade. All right, but it's holding so far. All right, DOCN, really good markdown phase, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, if it gets up into this area here, we could see where it fills that gap here. It fills that gap. All right, so we could see buyers come in, but so far, great trade going here. All right, now remember these are more expensive stocks, so if you can't trade the underlying, you can do, if you savvy with options, you can do the call options. Okay, DRS, and these are technology so far. DRS, buy signal is here, red candle, gap down, red candle, broke support right here, sell signal by the system, so close that trade. All right, if these trades are giving red candles, sell signals, get out of them, because they should not be doing this bad, right? They should not be selling when we are bullish, right? So the market is up, everything, we're not in sellers territory. So there's something else going on. If they're giving you red candles, sell signals, just close the trade, right? There are lots of opportunities. Okay, all right, more opportunities. So DRS, close that trade, please. Okay. All right. All right, hold on. DRS. What's that? And which was the other? VNet. Right here. Okay. All right. DOCN. Did we say DOCN? DOCN. Buy signal here. Yeah, nice move going higher. Nice markdown phase. All right. DV. Same thing. Nice markdown phase, guys. Right. Really good support right here. Buy signal nicely in the markup phase. All right. GoDaddy, right? GoDaddy. Buy signal was here. All right. I think we got in right about here is when we call it. All right. Good move going higher here. All right. No support and resistance yet. So it hasn't slowed down yet, guys. All right. KTOS. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. All of these are technology, right? KTOS. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely there. All right. MSTR. Buy signal here. All right. all the way up here, moving up nicely. Again, technology, guys. All right. So focus on the sector that's moving. All right. So technology. All right. PI, good markdown phase, buy signal here, moving up nicely. PLTR, buy signal here. Look at that. Right. All right. Moving up nicely also. All right. So they're definitely the institutions are buying. They're definitely buying, and they're buying technology most of all. All right. SDGR. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal here, almost identical to this buy signal here. All right. So moving up so far. Snap and SNAP buy signal was here, moving up nicely. All right. We'll probably look at some targets. All right. This one right here, snap, it's near resistance, this resistance right here. But look at the potential, right? If you can get past that resistance, we can see a nice move higher, and it's inexpensive. All right. All right. STNE, buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. I know it looks bad here, but when we pull that back, all right, when we pull that back, that's not bad. All right, we need to get past, which we have, got past that resistance right here. You guys see that here? Resistance, hold on. So it's got two areas of resistance. So I know this chart doesn't look great, right? If you look at it on the surface, doesn't look great, but we have really good resistance. All right, so we've gotten past this resistance here, this consolidation here, right? Very choppy consolidation. We've gotten past that, and then we have another resistance area here. If we can get past this area here, which is near it currently, right, we can see it move higher here. And it's part of technology. Technology is making a move, okay? All right, that is STNE. All right. SWI, same thing. Buy signal here. That's moving up nicely. And that's technology. TSEM, buy signal is here. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Right. It's a new one getting ready to break out. And that is technology also. All right. All right. VRNS, buy signal here. Guys, look at how many stocks, right, we have to go through. All right. 3 weeks ago, a month ago, we didn't have any. All right. So amazing how these markets turn, how they change. This is why we do this, right? All the time. So because they change, they will move quickly. VRNS, buy signal is here. Really good price action. All right. So the minute we turn away from the market or the systems, that's when they tend to move. All right. All right. AEO, buy signal was here. AEO is moving really nice, guys. Look at that. Moving up nicely here. All right. AEO. EYE. All right. Descent markdown phase. Buy signal is here. Right. Early move. Moving nicely in the markup phase. All right. Look at GPS, guys. GPS, they really came in. All right. That is communication services. Now, I and AEO are communication services. Okay. All right. So GPS buy signal was here, right? Buy signal was here at 1177, gapped up. We were looking at resistance right here. Pay attention to those resistance. We'll have sellers here, but if you can get past that resistance, right, they'll push that stock higher. Okay. All right. So buy signal was here, right? Gapped up above that resistance right here. All right. Look at that. I'm trading all the way up here. All right. So great move. All right. GPS. And the last one for Bullmaster here, QRTEP. Buy signal is here. That's a new move right here. I know it looks bad here, right? When it looks like this, doesn't look like we have anything. But when we pull that back, really good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal. All right. And good targets up here. All right. Good risk reward. All right. So good trading with technology. We only had two we had to remove from the list. All right, 2 or 3 from the list, but good price action. Okay. 741. Okay, so let's take a look. I really want to get go over Forex. I was hoping to look at equities, but we'll have to do that tomorrow. I do want us to take a look at what ran on Friday to see what opportunities we have, and we'll go through equities, stock boss, bullmaster tomorrow evening. All right, guys, look at this. Look at this. We have 100. Listen now. We have 180. I'm going to run it again. 183 symbols in stock boss. When was the last time we saw 183 symbols, guys, in stock boss? Crazy. So they are definitely buying stocks, guys. All right. A few weeks ago, all right, 3 weeks ago, even 2 weeks ago, I think we had as much as 17. All right. Now we have 180. Okay. So there, look at this. Look at this. Look at healthcare. No, I know we don't have. Look at that. Look at that. Look at healthcare. And we don't have a buy signal in healthcare. They are really look at communication services. All of this is communication services, guys. Look at technology right here. Look at technology. Yeah, we might have to devote the whole night tomorrow to our equities. Look at all of that technology. Wow. Wow. 183. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. Let's see how many in Bullmaster here. If we have oh, 336. You guys, Stella, Stella, you've been around. When was the last time you guys saw this? All right, Solomon, all right, Anthony, right? You guys trade equities. 300. Let me do this again. 333 stocks, guys. All right, in um in Bullmaster. Okay, so that's basic materials. But let's go to look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. So we're, the minute I say this, everything will change. But you got to go by what they're buying, right? We are definitely they're buying. Stella, you never seen that many. I know. That's crazy. I mean, look at that, guys. So that's a lot of communication services and technology. Look at that. Look at that. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll go through these and see what we've got available, but a lot. I want to take a look at shorts, see what they're shorting. How many shorts? Only 37 shorts. Only 37 shorts. So guys, long, all right, they're long the market. They're not shorting anything. All right, they're not shorting anything. So we'll go over these. That's a lot of work for me to go through all of these, but we'll go through them tomorrow. We might spend tomorrow and Tuesday going through these. All right. Okay. Monster scalper. Monster scalper. But that's good news. More opportunities for us. Okay. Good news. Good news. Good news. They're definitely buying. Okay. Monster scalper. And so the yen pairs is really what we're in. Well, a lot of those closed. So let's do this here. All right. Aussie dollar. Now we still have good volatility, right? Good volatility, right? Forex is not consolidating. Okay. Um, let's see here. Aussie CAD. yen and dollar short, that's not supposed to happen. All right. These need to be either long or short, long or short. All right. We'll take a look at the short side though. But euro dollar, euro dollar. If you guys missed this trade here, euro dollar, you might want to go to your time frames here. All right. So your time frames and trade it on a smaller time frame, but long, right? Long. We have green candle on the weekly, right? Buy signal, green candles on the daily. On the 240, buy signal, green candles, markup phase on the 240, same on the 30, same on the 60, right? Even on the 15. So, right, here we have it on the 5 minute. You can look for, do not take those shorts. Do not take those shorts. Okay. Just make sure that you wait for the pullback. All right. 30-minute, find the best time frame that will work for you. All right, don't chase them on the other time frames. That's why you have the smaller time frames here. Okay, so find a time frame, right, where you have a clean buy signal. A lot of times, like this one here, you could wait for this one to close on the 15-minute and then get the next buy signal. Okay, let's see here. The euro pairs are finally trying to make a move. Okay. We do not have a rotation. We did have a rotation in the yen pairs. They've taken a break right now. Euro pound. Euro CAD. We're in Euro CAD already. Let's see, Euro Aussie, nothing there. All right. So just be very selective, guys. Pound dollar. You see how these are scattered? So we don't have a rotation here. A rotation here. Let's take a look at the shorts. ZAR yen, right? Do not, with these shorts, if you guys look at, that's why I've said just wait, right? Wait on these yen pairs to come back to give you some long opportunities, right? You notice the trend. The trend is up, not short, not short. All right. And all these short signals, 2 short signals have failed already. All right. Where the longs did well. Okay. So don't short these. Don't short these. All right. I know it's all red here, but just be patient. All right. Right here. Same thing here. Okay. It's in the markup, just taking a break so far. We'll know if it totally changed, if things totally change, we'll know. Okay. This is just a pullback, here. Now, the dollar pairs are a bit different. All right. The dollar pairs are going lower. We do have a sell short signal on the dollar, but this move short in the dollar pairs has been just horrible. If you guys look here, that's a horrible chart to trade a short. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna go through these right here. Not very good. All right. All right. Even this one here, not very good. So don't chase these. All right. This is not a bad one here. USD SEK, sell short signal here. All right. But if you guys want to short this, just move your time frame here. All right. So here's a 30-minute time frame. All right. So it's short, red candle on the weekly. All right. Daily, you have a sell short signal. 240, right? It's in a really good markdown phase here. 60, 30, 15. So if you want to short it, all right, just find a time frame. All right. The problem with the dollar pairs is that a lot of them are USD SEK did really well. All right. USD PLN, that's another good short going here. Okay. But a lot of them, they're in the markdown phase already. They're deep in the markdown phase. All right. So like this one here, I wouldn't do anything with this one. All right. USDN. Okay. All right, this one here, this is, I know, USD MXN. That's tempting right here, this sell short signal, but you've got support. You've got support right here. Okay, so buyers could come in soon. All right, or it can start to, go through that accumulation phase. All right, so just be careful with the dollar pairs. All right, just be careful with the dollar pairs. Here's another bad one here. All right, just be careful. Unless you got in early, like this one here, sell short signal here. And here we are, right? Here we are at support is right here. Okay, so right, they're not great trades. Now we've had great trades with the dollar short, all right, but these are not. If you were lucky, like I said, USD SEK, right, not a bad trade, but the better trade that we have, right, has been the yen pairs, So I would say just wait on the next buy-in that comes in on the yen. Now, if you guys look here, all right, if you guys look here, right here, so those of you guys should all have your upgrade. Stella, I don't know if you have your upgraded your time frames. If not, just get with me. But guys, if you look here, all right, if you look here, the yen pairs, right, they're buying the yen pairs right now. All right, so nah, I don't like SGD JPY. All right, buying is coming in. New Zealand yen. All right, this is on the 15-minute time frame. So we still have buy signals on the weekly, daily. Buy signals still holding. All right, if you look here, this is on the 240. Okay, so let's say you got out on that red candle, right? Like you got a white candle here, right? There's a good chance buyers could come back in. We're seeing that price action there on the 15-minute. So you might, let's say you got out on the 30 or you didn't get in, right? You can start getting in on that 15-minute time frame. All right. Even the 30-minute time frame. This is what's cool about this, right? Right. Even the 30-minute time frame. Look at this great buy signal here on that 30-minute right here, New Zealand yen. Now I'll be done in a minute, guys. All right, perfect buy signal here. Wait, don't short the markdown phase here. Don't short it. All right, because the overall trend is long, and just wait, right, like right here for the next buy signal. All right, if it fails, like it's right, if it fails, just get out, wait again for the next buy signal. All right. So when you guys do that, you will notice that you're not giving up your profits, right, when you go against the trend. All right, that's a counter trend trade, so try to stay within the trend, right? What I do sometimes, I'll just turn off my shorts. So if I know like the yen pairs right now are trending, right, the bigger move is long. All right, I just kind of put that away, put that short system away, so that I only focus, all right, on the shorts. And you guys can, on the longs, you guys can do the same thing. So you're not tempted to take short trades, right? So let it pull back, right? Let it pull back like this. Wait, so this is a great trade here. This could be another very good trade here. Okay, all right. I want to before. So we don't have any trades this evening. Okay, not on the 240. All right. Forex dominator. I don't think I saw anything come in. Let's see here. I think we're pretty solid in Forex dominator. We're in yen, CAD, euro. Let's see if we have anything going on with the pound. Um, pound CAD. I'm sorry. Pound, yeah, pound CAD. We're in pound CAD already. Nothing here. Pound HKD. Look at a buy signal there. These other pound, they're just no buy signal. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait on those. Okay. Let's do this. I'm curious. I'm gonna go back here. I just want to see, guys. We want to add these. I just want to see what's coming in stock boss technology. I just want to see what the buy signals we have. Okay, so they're setting up technology, setting up nice markdown phases. Some of them are still waiting for the buy. Look at this one, INDI. Okay, so we've got some opportunities. We'll definitely spend some time. And what we'll do also there, I think we only have, here's another one where we're in this one. I think there's only 3 sectors that don't have buy signals. So we'll start looking at perhaps everything, right? Let's see here. Look at financials. We said we had this financial sector gave a buy signal. Look at financials. You know, with rates. Let's see here. That's okay. So financials, banking. Here's one here. Another one here. All right. So yeah, they're definitely moving. And then lots of financials. Look at that. All of this is financials. All of this is financials. Look at that, guys. Tons of financial. Lots of healthcare. We don't have a buy signal yet in healthcare. All right. So they're setting up, though. They're buying them. They just haven't moved them enough to break resistance. Communication services. I want to take a quick look at technology. All right. Look at this one here, guys. That's amazing. Over 300 stocks in Bullmaster. We'll go through these. I'm just curious to see what they. I haven't looked at these. All right. All right, good deal, good deal. All right, we'll go through these tomorrow. All right, guys. Hey, have a good evening. All right. Look at your smaller time frames. Okay, so I don't see a lot of opportunities on the 240. Okay, so bring in Monster Scalper. So just bring in your smaller time frame. All right. And that's it. All right. All right. All right, guys. Have a good evening. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. But look for long opportunities. Long opportunities. Okay. Stay away from shorts. Stay away from shorts for now. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.